Hi guys, so as we have now understood about the ideal solution part, it is now time to understand what is non-ideality in a much more clearer fashion. So in ideal solutions we have learnt that it follows Raoult's law and that we are very clear about it. Okay? So basic Raoult's law, what was basic Raoult's law? Basic Raoult's law is PA is equal to PA naught XA, right, and PB is equal to PB naught XB. This was Raoult's law, and PT was equal to PA plus PB, which is PA naught XA plus PB naught XB. Clear? I think everybody will agree with this statement of mine and of definitely the statement of Raoult's rather than mine. Okay? So if it is non-ideal, so see, this equality doesn't hold. So this PA is not equal to PA naught XA, and definitely this PB is not equal to PB naught XB. Okay? Clear? This PA is not equal to PA naught XA, and definitely the PB is also not equal to PB naught XB. So it can be like this, that PA is either less than PA naught XA or more than PA naught XA, and PB also similarly either more than or less than PB naught XB, PB naught XB. Okay? Either more than or less than. Okay? Both the cases are possible. So in case of non-ideal solution, PT is not equal to, because PT is basically PA plus PB, it is not equal to, it can be more than, it may be less than, it is not is equal to PA naught XA plus PB naught XB. The first relationship that is very important in case of non-ideality. Okay? In case of non-ideality, this is not equal. If you find out what is P observed, so this is basically P observed. The total pressure observed is not is equal to the PT. Okay? From Raoult's law, if you calculate this PT, this won't be equal to the observed pressure, total pressure. Okay? Clear? So definitely other things like del V mix is not is equal to 0, del H mix is not is equal to 0. Okay? These things are also very important. The reason behind this too is force of attraction of AA and BB is not approximately equal to AB. Okay? In case of ideal solution, they were equal, now they are not equal. Okay? In case of ideal solution, they are equal, they are not, they were equal, but now they are not equal. Okay? Can I drop this? Clear? This is for non-ideality. So what happens in non-ideality? All the interactions are different. Solute, solute, solvent, solvent, solute, solvent, all interactions are different. This is vapor pressure curve. This is mole fraction. Here mole fraction of A is 0. Here it is 1. So here XB is 1 and XB over here is 0. Okay? So whenever XA is 0, definitely XB will be equal to 1. So as per Raoult's law, we know that PA is equal to PA naught XA, and if XA is equal to 1, then PA will be PA naught, right? Because if you put XA is equal to 1, PA will be equal to PA naught. So at XA is equal to 0, definitely vapor pressure of A, if this is the vapor pressure of A I am considering, okay, A and B both are coming actually in this scale. So to write A will be wrong. Okay, so vapor pressure of A at this point where XA is equal to 0 is 0, correct? If XA is 0, PA is 0. Okay, and as the vapor pressure, as the mole fraction of A increases, PA also increases to maximum at XA is equal to 1. This point is PA 0, right? XA is 1, at XA is 1, PA is equal to PA 0. Okay? Similarly, at XB is equal to 0, PB is equal to PB naught XB. Okay? At XB is equal to 0, PB will be 0, right? If XB is 0, PB is 0, and if XB is 1, PB is PB naught. So if this is PB naught, say, okay. So this is the curve of both the components creating some vapor pressure for ideal solution following Raoult's law. If you want to find out what is total pressure, so in this case if you see PA is 0, PB is PB naught. So this is the point where the total pressure lies over here, and here it is at this point. So we may join this one, okay, we may join this one, we will get the PT curve. This is the total pressure, total vapor pressure. Total vapor pressure of ideal solution following Raoult's law. Total vapor pressure of ideal solution following Raoult's law. Clear? PT. This is for ideal solution. Okay? Now we will talk about non-ideal solution. Okay? This is XA is equal to 0, this is XB is equal to 0, so this is XA is equal to 1, this is XB equal to 1. Sorry guys. Okay? So we are going to discuss non-ideality. So there are two kinds of non-ideality. One is negative deviations. Okay? One is negative deviations from ideality. So let us first understand what is negative deviations from ideality. See, in cases like, let's take this one, HCl as solute and water as solvent. Okay? And if you mix these two, definitely this is going to form HCl solution, HCl aqueous solution. Okay? HCl aqueous solution. This is highly miscible. We know HCl gas is very much miscible in water, right? Highly miscible. So if I consider this as A and if I consider this as B, I can consider this as AB. So in this case, this is highly miscible. So definitely I can say force of attraction of AB is more than AA and BB. These two cases, correct? Clear? Absolute? No problems, I guess. So in this kind of cases, what will happen? HCl would like to be in solution state, right? HCl molecules would like to be in solution state. They don't want to get free, right? HCl molecules want to be along with water. They don't want to get free because their attraction is so much high, right? So if attraction is high, definitely, if I consider A as HCl, previously in case of Raoult's law, this was a straight line that was going like this, because we know that PA is equal to XA PA naught. Okay? But in this case, what is going to happen? In this case, the attraction is too much. So HCl won't exert that vapor pressure as per Raoult's law. So it is going to exert less vapor pressure, like this. Okay, lesser vapor pressure at various points. Okay. For water also the same case. Water likes to be now happy with HCl. It doesn't want to get out of the system because it is also miscible with HCl. So previously the water was having this kind of curve, let's say, just contemplating this kind of curve. This won't be correct. Okay, anyhow. Okay. In this case, water will have this kind of curve, negative deviations from ideality. This is what is negative deviations. When the attraction is more in solution. When the attraction is more in solution, it will not want to boil off and the vapor pressure will be less. Negative deviations from ideality. The total pressure as per Raoult's law should have been this, but sorry guys, it will be this. Clear? Everything down. This is negative deviation. In case of negative deviation, why this negative deviation is happening? What you have to remember? Solute solvent interaction is much more than solute solute or solvent solvent interaction. ठीक है, solute solvent interaction is much more. Let us see some examples. I am rubbing this. I hope this is very much clear to you. This is negative deviations from ideality, what we have done right now. So in case of negative deviation, boil नहीं होना चाहेगा. In case of negative deviation, boil नहीं होना चाहेगा. It won't want to boil because vapor pressure decreases. ठीक है. So negative deviation के केस में vapor pressure falls. Boiling point क्या होगा फिर? Will increase. ठीक है. In case of negative deviations, boiling point will increase. ठीक है, clear? Negative deviation के केस में boiling point is going to get increased. You have to push more and more energy to increase the vapor pressure. More temperature is required. So what kind of examples can be here? Anything like this, like you can take this one, CH3 and chloroform. This is a covalent compound, van der Waals attraction. This is covalent compound, dipole-dipole attraction because it has dipoles. Okay, here will be also some amount of dipole but very less. There is high dipole because of oxygen, more electronegative than chlorine. But when it comes in solution, this can have hydrogen bonding. So negative deviation बहुत अच्छा, दोनों में बहुत अच्छा बनता है negative deviation. ठीक है, हाँ, शाग्निक शायक जैसा. ओके, नेक्स्ट, कोई भी स्ट्रॉन्ग एसिड ले लो, H2SO4, वाटर. See, water has their own hydrogen bonding. H2SO4 also can have their hydrogen bonding, but when H2SO4 and water comes together, it has strong hydrogen bonding due to lot of wings of hydrogen bonding that can open right now. Lot of wings of hydrogen bonding, as you can see I have just shown two from this two. Okay, so there are a lot of possibilities like this. Okay guys, clear? Here also you can put two hydrogens. ठीक है, like this, again like this. ठीक है, these things can happen. There are two lone pairs, so it can form another two, another one with the another water ले लो यार, ऐसे. ठीक है, बहुत अच्छा हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग बन सकता है. ठीक है, लॉट ऑफ हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग कैन हैपन इन केस ऑफ H2SO4 एंड वाटर देन द मॉलिक्यूल्स इंडिविजुअली. ठीक है, सो इन दिस केस ऑल्सो एनी स्ट्रॉन्ग एसिड प्लस वाटर, वेपर प्रेशर गोज डाउन, बॉइलिंग पॉइंट गोज अप एंड इट शोज नेगेटिव डेविएशंस फ्रॉम आइडियलिटी. ठीक है, okay, next is positive deviations. Positive deviations मतलब there are solute, there are solvent. ठीक है, solute ले लो A, solvent ले लो B, बन गया AB. ठीक है, so if they are mixed together, this AB interaction, ठीक है, interaction लिखो, interaction of AA and BB is much more than AB. AA and BB is much more than AB. ठीक है, क्लियर है? These are due to positive deviations. So how does it happen to give you positive deviation? I am just showing you. This is xa is equal to 0, this is xb is equal to 0. So previously the curve was like this. Positive deviations मतलब they are not willing to go into solutions. ठीक है, a और b एक साथ मिलना नहीं चाहता है, तो in that case क्या होगा? They will not be in liquid state, they are going to push more and more to go to the vapor state. So आपका PA का जो रहता है that is going to give more vapor pressure than Raoult's law. PB का अगर ऐसा कर्व है, so then also it is going to give more vapor pressure than Raoult's law. ठीक है, and the total pressure will also be more. And the total pressure will also be more. This is vapor pressure. ठीक है, this is PA naught, this is PB naught. Now about examples, there have to be some examples definitely for positive deviations. Okay, so you can take this one. Acetone and carbon disulfide. ठीक है, if you take this one as an example, then see there is no hydrogen bonding like the previous case. So इसके और इसके बीच में ज़्यादा कुछ होने वाला नहीं है, लेकिन खुद इसके और इसके बीच में और एक ले लो, CH3 C double bond O. So here there will be plus delta, here there will be minus delta, here there will be plus delta minus delta. इंटरेक्शन होगा, डाइपोल डाइपोल इंटरेक्शन. ठीक है, इसके बीच में इन दोनों में नहीं हो पाएगा. तो interaction in the solute is much more than interaction in solution. So there are various examples in your book, you will see. Please take those. Another important example I want to discuss, C2H5OH and water. Now you can say, sir, this can form hydrogen bonding with water. Definitely it can form, but alcohol can form hydrogen bonding within themselves also. ठीक है, similarly water also can form. So their intermolecular hydrogen bonding in individual molecules or only solute or in only solvent is much more stronger than the hydrogen bonding when they are together. ठीक है, so that is why this solution is having positive deviations from ideality. Now you must have seen sometimes, if you have seen alcohol, then alcohol if poured into water it gives bubbles. Why? Because the total solution is giving more and more vapor pressure. It is trying to come out of the system, from the system of the solution, and that is why alcohol water mixture is having positive deviations from ideality. ठीक है, so that is all about non-ideal solution. In case of non-ideal solution, we have to also don't forget to study about the azeotropes. It is very important. We will be coming into this next video. Azeotropes, ठीक है, we are going to discuss about azeotropes. But before we discuss about azeotrope, in our upcoming, that is tomorrow's doubt session, we are going to solve problems on Raoult's law, which is very important. Problems come, so problems on Raoult's law we are going to finish tomorrow. After that we are going to go into azeotropic mixtures. Okay, after that, not now, after that. In between, if possible, we will finish that one also. Okay guys, so please go through this video so that we can have a fruitful session tomorrow. Thank you.